Any seed tray that we buy these days are just from very firm, flexible, flimsy plastic that after first or second use they just fall apart. So I decided to get the Charles Dowding designed seed trays. I think they're called Containerwise or something like that. Anyway, these are the seed trays that will last. They are made from the hard plastic. So let's open and see what is inside. As you can see, the whole material is compostable. Green material. This is not from plastic, so they have even used the environmental friendly packaging. So let's just bring them out. Ooh, 60 seed tray. This is a set that you can buy from Amazon and is Amazon's choice. Okay, that's for they are heavy and quite sturdy. This is for pushing out the seeds, cells, the modules. So this is the 15 one. You can see this is half of that. And this is the, I think 12 one. Let me just see. Yeah, no, 15 one. That's 31, 15 one, and another 15 one. So that will be enough for my requirements for the moment until I decide to get another one. They're quite chunky plastic and enough soil it takes for a seedling to grow. At the same time, it has a wide hole for the drainage, because many seedlings, actually people don't know that, but overwatering, and because they cannot drain the water properly, they get yellow, wilt, and they die. So they need water watering holes wide enough to let the water flow out. So I'm really happy with this. Actually, I'm going to buy another set of this. This is so good. And they are the same price as what you, for example, this 61 is almost the same price as those flimsy ones you buy from the garden centers. I wish they sold them in the garden centers, but they don't. Yeah, but that made it much easier. But anyway, these are the seed trays I'm going to use this year, and they don't take much soil, compost I should say, and you can grow the seedlings right with the right amount of the compost without using too much, and yeah, grow them and transfer them the moment they're ready into the ground or pot or whatever you want. So we'll be looking forward to use them. It's nice to be able to use something sturdy and strong that doesn't perish in your hand. Just waste your money when you buy those ones. Looking forward to grow a lot of seeds with this.